Welcome to the Sweet Engine RPM product feature video on rental costing. In the rental industry, there are multiple ways in which equipment dealers will post costs against their rental equipment. Some dealers prefer to depreciate their equipment on a standard depreciation schedule, while others prefer to post a cost against each rental invoice generated. In this video, I will show you how RPM handles the latter, which is posting a cost with each rental invoice. So let me switch over to our solution. And you'll notice on the screen we are showing an RPM unit card. This represents the actual piece of equipment, in this case a Model 420 Caterpillar backhoe. This backhoe was purchased at an original equipment cost of $100,000. We have a setup table in RPM that allows you to define the percentage of the rental that you would like to cost out. And in our example, I've set that to be 80%. Over to the right, you'll notice that this particular unit happens to be shipped on a contract. It's already on rent. So let's go to that contract. And on the contract, let's go ahead and post the invoice. So when I choose my posting button, you'll see that I am going to generate an invoice for $10,000. When I say OK to that, it generates my invoice for me. I'm now going to drill down to that invoice and navigate on it and show you the GL effect of what happened in the background. So looking at the GL entries, you can see that I have rental revenue for the $10,000, and now we have a cost of that rentals of $8,000. So we pulled $8,000 out of our rental equipment balance sheet account and moved it to cost of rentals based on that 80% calculation of obviously the $10,000. So when we go back to the actual unit itself and we take a look at the card, now you'll notice that the replacement cost of that unit has now been set to $92,000. So we took $8,000 off the original cost, showing you that the actual value that's left on this asset is $92,000, in case you decide to sell that to a customer at a future date. So that is how our rental costing works in RPM. If you'd like to learn more, please visit us on the web at sweetengine.com/RPM.